Hi there, Denise. This is Sheena with SOP Digital Solutions, and we are working with different construction company all over the country. And because we are looking to working with someone in San Antonio, I came across your listing in Google, and I checked your website out. This is, by the way, the video that I was talking to the other day, and so I'm just sending it to you. And it's a customized video on how you'll be able to beat your competition and bring those customers to your door instead of theirs. So I don't want to waste any of your time. If by the end of the video you love what you hear, you want to hear more on how we can help you beat your competition, then you can call me. And if not, not a big deal. You can take these free tips that I'm going to give you today and use them and see how they work out for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, I did go through your website and I checked on the text. So just to clarify, Google loves words. They have, those crawlers that crawls in each and every single website and looks for words that are related or relevant to your customer searches, right? So you have to have at least a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words. And right now, your website is at 208. Okay, so we want to make sure that we increase that, and not just increasing the words of your content, but also putting keywords, and not just keywords, relevant keyword rich content. So you want to be able to match what your potential customers are searching. So if they're, for example, searching construction in San Antonio, then you want to be able to put that in each and every single section of your website, so that when someone searches in Google, then that search engine will be looking and looking for those words and say that, okay, this CG Construction is a relevant website. Let's go ahead and refer that to our customer. So speaking of keywords, I did enter construction companies in San Antonio in Google, and this is what we got. So top 3, so this is the Google Map Pack, and these top 3 companies are the companies that are receiving the work. So if you're wondering why you're not getting anything from your website, it's because they are the ones who are getting it, right? And not just this, and we're going to discuss a little bit more about the other ways. But the way to get here are 3 things. First things first is you have to have a profile with Google My Business. And secondly, you have to fill out the form completely. You have to put your opening time, closing time, holidays, and so on and so forth. So you just have to completely fill it out. Third will be filling out the exact name, the exact name of your business, the exact address, the exact phone number, and placing it in each and every single directory all throughout the internet, right? So if CO Construction has 45 directories that they're placed in, you want to be able to get all of those 45 directories plus more. So that's how you'll outrank, them, or be placed in this top 3, which is really, really good because, of course, if you go to any other cities and you search for a restaurant, you are more likely to click onto, all the companies or restaurants that are in this area, right? So that's what you should aim for. Next will be, so this is organic, right? It's not paid like this part, and this one is organic as well. So we can see, directories, blogs. And then we have here your main competition. So they are placed 1 I mean, this is first place, but you don't see the actual company until you get to this part, but there is a way to be able to get to that part, to this first place. So let's go ahead and go through the website, the company website of your competition. Okay, and that is it. There's not much in there, so I don't like it already. So, but they're being ranked for this part anyway, just San Antonio. So they have a main website. So that's probably the reason why. But still, they are being ranked number 1, and we have to figure it out, right? So let's go ahead and go to. Let's go ahead and search it. So Ahrefs is a tool that I use. This is my bread and butter, and you can utilize this as well. It's very, very helpful. So let's go ahead and break down why they are ranked number 1. So first things first, we'll go ahead and break this part down. UR rating is URL, which is basically your URL address rating. It's like your credit score, your reputation score, right? So that's for that rating. And then the next one will be domain rating, DR, which is the power of your website as a whole. And both of these are being impacted by your backlinks, which is basically a link that's located in any other website other than yours. And when a potential customer or anyone clicks onto it, then it refers back to your website. So it's like a shout out from another blog or another, directory, and say that, hey, CG Construction is, the best construction company in San Antonio. So basically that's how it goes. The next will be your keyword, which is very, very important. We were talking about keyword, and these are the keywords that that you want to be able to include whenever you are creating your content, right? So we talked about content in your website, and putting it all over your website will help you basically get ranked. Because it's saying that if a customer searches for construction companies in San Antonio, then it will crawl. The crawlers will go through to your website and look for these keywords, relevant keywords, and say that, okay, CG Construction is relevant, so let me go ahead and refer this to the customer. So construction companies in San Antonio, it has average of 400 searches per month, and they are, Turner Construction is positioned as 5, so it's in the first page. And then San Antonio Construction Companies, they have 150 searches, positioned as 8. And then San Antonio Construction, 250, positioned at 10. They're almost in second page. Construction Company San Antonio, 40 searches, 6. Construction in San Antonio, Texas, 50, and they're ranked 10. What else? San Antonio. So basically, it's just utilizing, the searches that they have, or the keywords that they have, and, putting it in your website, so that you get ranked for it. So that's basically it. So let's just quickly compare your, let's see here. Let's see your scoring side by side with them. All right, so you have 6, UR rating 11, backlinks 20. So again, we're just gonna take their backlinks and apply it to yours, and then you have 6 organic keywords, so they have 76. So once we ramp this up, what's gonna happen? Right now they have 97 searches averaging per month. So just imagine how much we can bring in your door, right? So estimate value is 268, you are at 0. So yeah, I mean, this will really help you out. And if it's helpful for you, I would want to be able to hear your feedback if you apply it. Let me know if you have any questions or, anything that you'd like to know. You can call me or email me back. But other than that, thank you so much. I hope this was helpful. You have a great day. Bye.